చేస్తారు మధ్యలో పోతే కొడతారు.
As far as future is concerned, as of now, we are in a very, very basic stage of training. So, in future, any fighter aircraft for that matter, whatever the institution wants us to go for, whatever is the requirement, I would love to fly any of the aircrafts in the fighter fleets.
What are the challenges you think you are likely to face as a woman combat pilot?
Well, nothing different from my male counterparts, as much as they face. So, as the challenges come, we are ready to face it and overcome it.
वेल एक्सपीरियंस की बात की जाए तो यहाँ तक की जर्नी काफ़ी यादगार रही. मैंने शायद कभी सोचा नहीं था यहाँ तक पहुँचने का, बट हार्ड वर्क पेड ऑफ एंड द मेरिट ऑल्सो पेड ऑफ एंड फाइनली वी वर सिलेक्टेड टू बी हियर.
आपका एम था या कुछ ऐसी हॉबीज में ऐसा कुछ आया? आपका क्या है सवाल?
वेल हॉबीज में होता तो शायद मैं यहाँ नहीं होती, क्योंकि हॉबीज को इतना सीरियसली लिया नहीं जाता. सो एम था, कुछ फैमिली का सपोर्ट था, मोटिवेशन था, इंस्ट्रक्टर्स का मोटिवेशन था, एंड सब चीज़ों ने अल्टीमेटली एक गोल सेट किया एंड फाइनली आई वर्कड टू अचीव इट.
Presently, what kind of training you are doing?
Presently, we fly, we study ground subjects as well as flying, and it is similar to जो हमारे मेल काउंटरपार्ट्स के साथ हैं, and we all go equal training, equal time of flying, equal time of ground training in it.
So, you got designated as a fighter pilot?
Not yet actually, not yet designated, as we are still flight cadets and we are still undergoing training, and there's one more year to be actually designated as fighter pilots.
We are going to make history, not yet created any history. Because we are going to do training, and Air Force is a very good organization, and fighter is the thing which defined any Air Force, because we are made to fight the war and win the war. So being a pilot in the Air Force is a very good thing, and that too being in the fighter stream is the best.
You are a part of history. How do you feel? Because it's happened. It's happened.
Not yet part of history. About to be if we'll perform good. It feels good. We don't think of much long. We just see what we're supposed to do tomorrow or today. So
What aircraft would be like to fly in future?
right now we are flying Kirans. In our previous stage we have been flown Pilatus. So then stage 3 will be in Hawk. Thereafter, according to our performance on the stage 3, that is on the Hawks, they will send us to the squadron. All the aircrafts are good and all are used for the combats. So whichever they'll think that suit me, I'll do best in that.